This is Colley Hall, room 113, and I'm going to give you a quick tutorial on how the audio-video system works in this room. Up here at the teacher station, on the left-hand side is our controller that's going to control the audio, the video, and also the power of the projector. In the upper left-hand part is our display area. Right now we have display off. I'm going to press the on button, and that's going to power up the projector for us. It takes about a minute for the projector to power up, so we'll be patient while that's happening. And I'm going to go ahead and log on to the computer. The keyboard tray is located right here underneath the desk, and I'm just going to use the username and password that are right here on the monitor. Colley113 for the username, Eagle for the password, click OK, and that's going to log me onto the computer. After I've logged onto the computer, then I need to go back over to my controller and tell the controller that I want the projector to see the PC, or the Macintosh rather. So I'm going to come over here and I'm going to hit the Macintosh button on the right-hand side of the controller. And in just a second, the Macintosh is going to show up on the screen for us. On the right-hand side of the teacher station, here's the document camera. The power button is in the front left-hand side. I'll power that on. Takes just a second for it to cycle through its startup. Once this is a solid green, then I'll know it's all set. My zoom and my focus are right here on the front. And then once it's all booted up, I come back over here to the controller and I press the document camera button. And that's going to ensure that the document camera shows up on the screen. So whatever I put underneath this camera is what's going to be up on the screen. Underneath the keyboard is our DVD VCR. If you want to play a VHS tape, put it in the right-hand side and press the video button. A DVD will be on the left-hand side and press the DVD button. Then we come up to the controller and press the VCR DVD button. And then we need to either use the front panel controls or the remote control. The volume control then is located on the left-hand side of the controller. Turn it to the left to turn it down. Turn it to the right to turn it back up. And we're going to use this volume control for whatever source it is we have, whether it's a video on our computer, something on our laptop, or the DVD VCR. That volume control knob is what you're going to use. Everything we need to connect the laptop is located right here in the back of the desk in this little trap door, including a power supply, so you can plug your laptop right in there. You don't have to rely on battery or run your cable across the floor. So I'm going to go ahead and hook the video cable up to the video port on my laptop, and I'll connect the audio cable into the headphone jack on my laptop. And you can connect any device that you might have, whether it be a MP3 player or an iPod. And as long as you have laptop selected on our controller, you can hear that device through our audio system. So now that my laptop is all connected, I'm going to go ahead and hit that laptop button on the controller. And then my laptop should show up on the screen. If it doesn't, like it didn't for my laptop, that's probably because you haven't told your computer that you have an external projector connected to it. The way I'm going to do that is to hold down the function key on my Windows keyboard and tap the F8 key. On my computer, it brings up a nice little menu for me. I'm going to choose the duplicate mode. On yours, you may have to tap that F8 key while holding down function a couple of times until you get it to the right mode. So then whatever I show on my laptop here is also going to show up on the big screen. When we're all done with whatever it is we're doing, we're going to come back to the display, and in the upper left-hand corner, we're going to press the off button. That's very important as it powers the projector off and it saves the life of the projector bulb for us. The last thing I'll mention is that here on the desk is a written version of what I've told you on this video. And in the upper right-hand corner are the names and phone numbers of the Academic Technology Services staff. If you ever need help during the class or ever have any questions for us, please give us a call.